Handlers change as a targeted individual's life changes, usually. I mean, it could be a family member, then they're probably always going to be one of your handlers. You might be married to them, and they're always, as long as you're married to them, they're going to be one of your handlers. Um, but, I mean, what really a handler is someone who is a manager of your life, trying to manipulate aspects of your life, um, to ramble on gibberish. It's more just the only message in gang stalking essentially is resistance is futile. There are no other messages. Everything is used. Every racial agenda, every kind of anything agenda, both sides are on one side. Everything's on one side. The one side is resistance is futile. That's all it's saying. Um, the best way I can think of to describe handlers is they're playing they're part of the video game. Like gang stalking is a video game, artificial intelligence, because there's no way that humans are in charge of everything because there's just too much going on. I mean, it's too perfectly calculated. It has to be artificial intelligence. It has to be a computer program that's basically running the system. It's basically a computer program called gang stalking, let's say, whatever it's called, and the handlers, the game is rigged to stroke the handlers' egos. Because the handlers, they like it. Oh, I'm in charge of this person's life. I'm whatever. I'm making decisions on this person's life, or I'm able to. I'm told to do this, but I'm still, in charge. You're not in charge, anyways. Whatever. Largely, it's run by the computer program. Everything's rigged. It's like people in Las Vegas. They think, oh, I'm gonna win money. You always lose money. It these gang stalkers, a lot of them, they're the sadistic, egotistic, needy people who are willing to sell their souls for a little bit of uh, what they think is safety and security for their own life or whatever. Or maybe they think they have a higher purpose. A lot of them think, oh, I have a higher purpose. I'm saying this, I'm saying that. I'm using this system of uh, Big Brother gang stalking to um, to manipulate this situation for a higher cause. No, they're using you. If you raise up one side, like let's say mixing the races, oh, Jasper's hanging out with this girl who's not the same race as him. All of a sudden, they'll raise up both sides. It's an excuse to turn up the heat. That's all. They'll just turn up both sides. It's all the more one side tries, the other side tries as much, and then your life is just absolute hell. And yet they rigged it the whole time because they set up that girl in your environment. Like, they're to so that they could turn up the heat, so that they could have an excuse to turn up the heat. See, you're not in control, gang stalkers. Handlers aren't in control. Handlers are like a puppet of the regime that is controlling the world, controlling all the false flags in the world. And I already did a thing about false flags, but what I didn't say was that, like, there's the false flags that we normally know, like 9/11, Sandy Hook, the Norway bomb, Boston Marathon, things like that. Now there's also macro false flags, way bigger false flags. And those are more like that. Germany became the biggest economy in Europe after World War II. Japan became the second biggest economy in the world after World War II. But the entire world media was demonizing Nazis. Um, or that the Nazis are seen as, oh, they're the race oriented whatever. No, the Jews were. The Jews are the oriented. The Nazis are about mixing the races. Um, or Darwinism. Oh my God, there's not a shred of evidence for Darwinism, and it's everywhere. And this is all set up into like monkey everything and banana everything, banana republic, like it's, but there's not a shred of evidence for evolution, that macro false flags are just things that go on, and they're just spread everywhere, and it's like a virus that, um, anyways. And then there's micro false flags. Micro false flags are a lot smaller than like 9/11, right? But they're also like, it's more like local news stories, or maybe even really micro is like something just in your life today, stage theater. That's basically, they often set up situations that make it seem like, oh, there's a problem. Jasper, look, we got a problem. We got to do this. We got to do that. And it's all been set up completely ahead of time, and it's just a micro false flag. It's some people call it street theater, because that's what it is. It's just street theater. It's like a flash mob or something, where a whole bunch of people get together and they create a situation just to, because they've all been told to. Who's telling you to, people? Who's telling you to? Did you think that up yourself? No, you're being told to. Usually, I think, and you're just being told to, probably by a computer program, by an artificial intelligence, you bloody idiots. Like, this is hell on earth. And you know what? You're making a prison for yourselves. You're helping, you gang stalkers are helping build up the walls. You're helping make a prison, an absolutely impenetrable prison for yourselves. Not just me, not just any targeted individual. And you're not doing a shred of good. I mean, you think, oh, I'm saying this, I'm saying that, I gotta be on this side. No, if you do that, you're building up the other side as well at the same time, because there's just as many people on the other side. All you're doing is helping to turn up the heat and make my life hell, or make any targeted individual's life hell. Anyways, this is about handlers. Handlers, oh my God. I mean, these are the people that are trying to, they're egotistical, pompous pricks who think that they have some kind of jurisdiction over a part of your life, whereas, but most of it is just they're doing what they're told. They have a name that is shenanigans, like Ellen, D, Jean, R, Us, or like the place where I got a work job. The lady, I didn't know her. All of a sudden, she appeared out of nowhere, and she's like, "Oh, she's getting me a job." Her name was Jean. It's her name is shenanigans. It's not like she's important. It's not like anything. They're just trying to set up both sides so that they can turn up the heat. All they want is be able to is turn up the heat whenever they want to, and then yeah, wake up, people. Come on, we gotta break the system down, and to break the system down, we have to start talking about it. Start breaking it down. Come on, people.